My name is Natalusha, and today I'm going to show you a very quick, very easy, and cost-efficient upgrade for whatever face masks that you happen to have right now, which will both A, extend the life of your face mask, and B, make it more effective. And although it's not a 100% keep everything away from you strategy, it's still much better than just putting a surgical mask on your face or a homemade mask on your face that literally does not help at all. The only thing they're good for is keeping the virus in your body if you are sick, not for keeping it out of your body if you're trying not to get sick. So hopefully this will help you. So now all we're going to do is we're going to take one single thin breathable panta liner, and we're going to take one of these masks or any one of these, and we're going to take our filter. This is going to be a filter. We're going to take our filter. This is the top of the mask, so we're going to open up our mask on the inside side, and we're going to just simply stick on our filter in the extended mask like so. And so now, this is going to kind of protect you a little bit more from whatever virus you're trying to keep outside your body. And basically that's literally all you need to do. You can put on two, so one here and one here if you wish. You can put them vertically or diagonally or however you think is best for you. And why is this a good filter, you ask? Well, in my other video, which you can access by clicking on the top right corner of your screen now, I do an experiment in which I show why using one of these as a filter actually helps. And here, for example, is putting two on one mask. So it's easy, just the same process. You can overlap them slightly. And so we just do this, super easy, only takes a couple of seconds. And so now it's two times. So instead of just your nose, now it's your nose and mouth that are kind of protected. And it's not weird because these can serve several purposes, not just one. So now we have this, and it actually just kind of stays like this, like a little boat, which is also kind of helpful. So now we have this nice upgraded mask with our filters in place. And so now we just go through the normal procedure that you go through with masks. You just put it around your ears, mold it around your face like so, and we're done. It's a bit big for my face, but that's why I made another video in which you make your own face mask, so it's even more effective because it fits your face perfectly. And I use this one as an example because this is probably what most people have. So this also extends the life of your face mask, because when you're using just a surgical mask, it's actually recommended to, like, especially if you're a doctor and in a place with many sick people and patients, it's recommended to change your face mask every 2 hours. And one, that probably gets a bit expensive, and B, well, good luck finding one of these in a store because they probably really don't have them, because everybody is buying a whole lot of these, so it's probably not even there. And so the reason why this extends the life of your mask is because you don't have to throw it away after 2 hours. You can just put a new filter in after 2 hours. And honestly, the filters are kind of a lot cheaper than the face masks themselves because people are hiking their prices for face masks because the demand is high, supply is low. So anyway, I really hope that this helped some of you out in this time of need right now. So I hope this helped you. Definitely helped me because I've tried it, it works. And be sure to check out my other video that I made, which is also in the description below, or you can find it earlier in this video when I referenced it in the top right corner. And when you click on the little eye icon, it's up there, which I show you how to make your own face masks, and I show you why this filter is actually effective. Leave a like, subscribe, and tell everyone about my channel, please. Bye!